Hello students, today we will learn about a table in MS Word 2007. A table is a container that holds information about related items. It is made up of rows and columns. The vertical data is called column and the horizontal data is called row. It is used to display information in an organized and systematic way. How to insert a table? Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Table option from the Table group. A drop-down list will appear on the screen. Step 3. Click on the Insert Table option. A dialog box will appear on the screen. Step 4. Enter the number of columns and rows you want to insert. For an example, column is 4 and rows is 3. Step 5. Click on the OK button. Your table will get inserted. How to insert rows and columns. After creating a table, you found that you need another column or row. You can insert a row or column anywhere in your table by using the Layout tab. Step to add column to a table are: Step 1. Place the cursor in the table where you want to insert a table. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Insert Right or Insert Left option from the Rows and Columns group. And empty columns will get inserted in your table. Step to add rows to a table. Step 1. Place the cursor in the table where you want to insert a row. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Insert Above or Insert Below from Rows or Columns group. And empty rows will get inserted in your table. How to delete rows and columns. You can also delete the rows and columns of a table in MS Word 2007. Steps to delete columns from the tables are: Step 1. Place the cursor in the column where you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Delete option from the Rows and Columns option group. A menu will appear on the screen. Step 4. Click on the Delete column from the menu. You will find the required column get deleted. Step to delete row from the table. Step 1. Place the cursor in the row where you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Delete option from the Rows and Columns group. A menu will appear on the screen. Step 4. Click on the Delete rows from the menu. You will find the required rows have been deleted. How to merge two or more cells. Sometimes we need to combine two or more cells in the same row or column into a single cell. It is called merging. Steps to merge two cells are: Step 1. Select the cells you want to combine. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Merge Cells option from the Merge group. Required cells get merged. How to split a cell. Sometimes we need more cells in a table, and breaking of a single cell into multiple cells is necessarily required. This process is called splitting. You can also call it as reverse process of merging. Step to split a cells in a table. Step 1. Select multiple cells or a single cells you want to split. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Split Cells option from the Merge group. A dialog box will appear on the screen. Step 4. Specify the number of columns and rows you want to split. Step 5. Click on the OK button. How to move and resize a table. Before moving and resizing a table, you should know the following points. 1. If click on the table, you will find a plus sign at the top corner of the table. This is called Table Move Handle. 2. You will find a small square shape at the right corner of the table. This is called Table Resize Handle. 3. If you want to move the table, place the mouse pointer on the Table Move Handle and drag the table anywhere in document. Release the mouse. You will get table at the desired new place. 4. Similarly, if you want to resize your table, place the mouse pointer on the Table Resize Handle until a double-headed arrow appears and drag the table. You will find the dotted lines to show the size of the table. You can release the mouse button when you get your desired size table. Doing some simple calculation. MS Word facilitates you to do simple calculation. Steps to do simple calculation are: Step 1. Click on the Layout tab. Step 2. Click on the cells in which you want to get result. Step 3. Click on the Formula option from Data group. The Formula dialog box will appear on the screen. Step 4. Write a mathematical expression in the formula box. Step 5. Select the number format. Step 6. Click on the OK button. Adding border and shading. MS Word 2007 provides you to add borders and shadings to a table. Steps to add shading to a table are: Step 1. Click on the Design tab. Step 2. Click on the shading option from the table style group. Step 3. Select the color of your choice and check. You will get your required result. Step to add border to a table. Step 1. Click on the Design tab. Step 2. Click on the border option from the table group. Step 3. Click on the border and shading. Step 4. Choose the style, color and width of the border. Step 5. Click on the OK button. You will find your tasks have been completed as you desired. Different table styles. A table styles provides a consistent look to the border, shading, alignment and fonts in table. Steps to use a table styles are: Step 1. Click on the table. Step 2. Click on the Design tab. Step 3. Click on the More button in the table style group. Step 4. Choose any style from the gallery. Click to apply. Thank you.